afternoon, investors and corporates. Welcome to Set Digital Roadshow Year-End 2022 Performance Review. This session will run about 45 minutes. The company will start the session with a 30 minutes presentation, followed by a 15 minutes Q&A session. During Q&A, investors may leave your questions in the meeting room chat box or raise your hand function. We will open your microphone so you can ask the questions directly. May I now invite Thai Life Insurance Public Company Limited to start the presentation.
Good afternoon, investor. Welcome to Thai Life Insurance Year-End 2022 Set Digital Roadshow. My name is Chacha Thampasarit. IR Manager will be a moderator for this session. Today, our presentation will focus primarily on Thailand overview in 2022, company performance in 2022, outlook and strategic initiatives for 2023. The presentation will take around 20 minutes and the rest will be Q&A. Now, let me introduce our management in the room and our speakers for today's presentation. Mr. Kian Hee Lim, President, will present on Thailand overview and company performance in 2022.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Mr. Michael Heng Lee, CFO.
Yes, good afternoon to you.
Mr. Nipitiprong Prachanimit, Chief Marketing Officer.
Hi, good afternoon.
Mr. Shiling Yang, Chief Actuary, he will present on company performance and outlook and strategic initiatives for 2023.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Chong Chan Hao, Chief Risk Officer.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Sarangsi Limparangsi, SVP Investment.
Good afternoon.
Now I will pass on to Mr. Kian Hee Lim for the first part.
Okay, so hi again. So allow me to start by giving you a recap on the macroeconomic landscape for last year. In the first half of 2022, the escalated political unrest coupled with the resurgence of COVID-19 through the Delta and Omicron variants sent shockwaves globally. We experienced acute inflation arising from soaring crude oil prices, and interest rates remain volatile with global equity markets experiencing a slowdown. The combination of the above factors posed much challenges to the life insurance industry, as not only were sales activities curtailed, the unfavorable socio-economic environment significantly tested our financial as well as operational risk and business continuity management. Fortunately, the second half of last year, we saw the easing of COVID-19 new cases, and as countries began to open up with some semblance of stability in the investment markets, we were blessed with a renewed momentum for the life insurance business and a more positive outlook into 2023. The industry's new business premium, which consists of first-year premium and 10% of single premium, increased by 9% last year. And for the same period, our company's new business premium grew 16%, which surpassed the industry by a significant margin. Agency and bancassurance remain the main distribution channels for life insurance in Thailand, and the market shares for these two channels remain roughly unchanged from last year. In terms of product mix, life insurers in Thailand continue to offer a diverse range of products. Customers opted more for endowment products compared to investment-linked products as the appetite for risk reduces in this period of high uncertainty. We'll move on to focus on Thai Life's performance last year in subsequent slides. Now, despite all the challenges mentioned earlier, Thai Life achieved admirable growth for all our key financials in 2022. Our full-year APE grew 13% from last year to 12.8 billion baht, and the corresponding VONB achieved a higher growth of 31% to 7.3 billion baht as the VNB margin continued to improve. Our embedded value as of December 2022 increased by 2%. This increase was mainly fueled by our sustainable EV operating profits, but negated by economic variances, details of which will be covered in later slides. We registered a historical high net profit of 9.3 billion baht, representing a year-on-year growth of 10% despite the higher cost for medical claims. Now, allow me to walk you through our channels' performances. All channels had delivered double-digit growth from both APE as well as VONB last year. Our agency channel has enjoyed greater efficiency through digitalization of the point of sales as well as after-sales processes. And our management has continued to put into market products with sustainable profits. Our partnership channel remains strong as many businesses are recovering strongly and as our partners see pockets of opportunity to benefit from this comeback. For agency channel, our swift adoption of digital sales pools, coupled with the rebuilding of our agency teams post-pandemic, has enabled us to tap into the vast underserved Thai population. We maintain the leadership position in agency channel with agency market share at 16%. Rider attachment remained high at 57%, although slightly increased from previous year as our new participating endowment products had slightly lower rider attachment rate. We are now addressing this issue through product training. Our unit managers and above numbers were 25,000 at the end of last year, which remained at the same level as previous years, and the higher sales were largely as a result of higher sales productivity with increased digitalization. So for example, the number of e-application submissions at the end of the year rose to 94% compared to 81% in December of the previous year. Our new agency recruits increased around 6% compared to previous year, and whilst below target, we remain committed to bring back our unit managers and above numbers to around 30,000, which is the run rate before COVID-19. Moving on to partnership channels, our strategy to partner with multiple institutions and providing comprehensive insurance coverages solutions across income groups delivered impressive sales recovery with higher VONB margins. For commercial bank, we collaborated with each strategic partner to optimally launch sales campaigns and marketing activities. We also enhanced digitalization by improving digital sales tools and backend operation to support bank partners to improve efficiency. So moving forwards, we also plan to add new features and digitize more our sales and operational process from the improvements that we got from the Digital for Life applications. So for leasing and hire purchase channel, sales momentum grew from sales of credit life products driven by economic recovery and our extensive sales campaigns and branch visits. We also pursued new partnerships to widen our reach into new markets, example, OHO Leasing and Genie Fintech. I will now pass on to Seeling to illustrate on our products as well as financial highlights. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mr. Ling. TLI has held a prominent position in Thailand for so many decades. So our strong customer insight and product innovation enable us to continuously offer products that meet customers' evolving needs. Our new participating product has received a very good response and gained a significant share in our agency channel. We are developing more products under this category in response to more customers' needs. With the rising health awareness, we have launched several health riders and continue to promote our Life Fit program, targeting customers who would like to earn additional benefit through improving their health and wellness. We have partnership with eSci to build an ecosystem for senior segments, responding to the aging society. We also launched a health package with a smaller ticket size and more affordable premium to expand the insurance protection to every household in Thailand. Our customer-centric product offering has a very clear strategy, which is moving toward products that are less sensitive to the interest rate movement, such as new participating products, investment link, and riders. This strategy keeps sustaining our VONB margin against the economy volatility. Our VONB margin increased by 8 percentage points to 57% in 2022. Despite facing the challenge from offshore equity market, Our optimized investment portfolio was able to deliver sustainable return with a yield of 3.8% in 2022. The company's investment portfolio has been managed on a sustainable basis, which has delivered an average yield of 4.1% for the past 10 years. As a result of successfully growing new business in all channels, executing our clear product strategy, and optimizing our investment portfolio, our APE, VONB, and net profit have all achieved impressive growth in 2022. Our embedded value as of December 31st, 2022 was 145.2 billion baht, an increase of 2% from last year. The growth was mainly driven by our EV operating profit, which includes VONB, expected return on EV, and operating variance and assumption changes. These three components are indicating the sustainable value growth created by a company's underlying operation. The economy variance has resulted in a negative impact on EV, reflecting the falls in equity market during the year and the materially increase in market interest rate, together with the fact that our long-term investment return assumption has been kept unchanged. The economy variance, by its nature, was mainly driven by short-term market fluctuation, and it would normally be resumed when the economic situation recovers. Our capital adequacy ratio remains strong and well above the regulatory minimum. The strong CAR ratio will give us more flexibility to explore the investment opportunities. With our success in delivering impressive financial performance and our strong financial position, the board has recommended a dividend of 0.3 baht per share. This follows Thai Life's established dividend policy, which reflect the perspective of future growth and sustainability of the business and financial performance of the companies. The dividend amount is subject to approval from OIC and the shareholders in AGM. Now allow me to brief the outlook and our strategy initiative for 2023. The Bank of Thailand forecasts in 2023 the foreign tourists will double, the GDP growth will increase to 3.7%, and the headline inflation will reduce to 3.0%. The wide mortality protection gap indicates the insurance coverage in Thailand is still insufficient and has an opportunity to grow. Meanwhile, the aging society, with a rising dependency ratio, will continue to create opportunity for life insurers to develop new type of product for this evolving demand, such as pension product, senior health product, or family products. The rising health awareness post-pandemic has increased the sales of health riders significantly, and this will very likely to continue in the near future. All in all, we feel confident that the macroeconomy landscape in 2023 will provide a foundation to achieve our business growth. We have strategic initiative to sustain our business growth. Since some of them have already been mentioned earlier in our presentation, I will only highlight the others here. For agency channel, we will pilot a new branch system business model and reskill and upskill our branch staff with the digitalization. We also aim to expand the second policy market by delivering new engagement feature in our app, together with marketing campaign and privilege program. For alternative channel, we aim to improve the telesales representative skill and back-end operation for telemarketing, offer more product to online market segment for e-commerce, and enhance customer experience on mobile app for group employee business. We believe by executing this strategy initiative, Thai Life would continue to grow sustainably. Our vision is to be an insurance company of sustainability. As we continue to evolve in the space of ESG, we have determined the Sustainable Development Master Plan by covering the ESG according to the UN Sustainable Development Goals. A sustainability report for 2022 has been prepared and will be disclosed on our website soon. Meanwhile, as our continued effort to integrate ESG into our business strategy and champion good corporate citizenship, Thai Life has established a Sustainable Development Committee. As much as we recognize the importance of taking care of the environment, we have embarked into our green building journey, continuously increase our utilization on paperless operation, and try to instill greater natural preservation culture with our organization by involving a lot of our employees in related CSR activities. In the social dimension, we continue to invest in providing more accessible healthcare and greater financial literacy by ensuring enough engagement with the local communities, such as blood donation, medical second opinion, and campaign to raise the health awareness. Lastly, in terms of the governance, we commit to keep a clean operating profile. As part of our operating policy, we have zero tolerance on corruption and fraud. We also try to ensure greater transparency on our service by promoting utilization of our TLI application. We have achieved a great milestone with a 91% customer satisfaction through the survey that we launched to our users. The slide here shows some of the example of our ESG effort. We believe our continual investment in ESG and integrating it into our operation will lead us to live up to our business purpose and company's vision.
Okay, the section has come to an end. So on behalf of the Stock Exchange of Thailand, I would like to thank you investor and corporate for joining the conference. We look forward to welcome you all again in the next quarter. Thank you very much and have a good day. ขอบคุณนะคะท่านผู้บริหาร